Come on, let's go check behind this tractor and see what's going on.
You guys just come inside the tractor, but not pressing nothing.
Nah, we ain't going in no tractor. Watch the mud. Follow mama, okay? You talking about all this stuff right here. Be careful. We will. If the construction people tell us to leave, we will. We're not gonna touch anything. Just gonna look. Stay right there. Stay right there. Ooh, it's like a little drain thing down there. Stay right there. I don't know how little he is, because they talking about he 120 pounds. I'm 125 pounds and 5'5.5". That boy is not no 100 and no 20 pounds. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm coming back. I got on boots too, y'all. I can't prepare. But I can't get all the way around. So I'm not gonna try. Not alone. I can't be having my daughter send me getting hurt. Come around here, mama. Said check the porta potty. Okay. Come on. Let's open the porta potty. You gonna open the door for mama? Yeah, they was talking about 120. That's 120 pounds on my flyer that I've been printing. I'll go in there. Open. Ain't nothing in there, y'all. Okay. I got y'all this mud off my shoe. Can't get back in this car with all this mud on my shoe. On my shoe. Ooh, it's really on here. Ooh, come on. Yeah, they in there, baby. Not right now. Yes, I'm at the construction site. If somebody asked that. It's so muddy out here, y'all. And like I said, it's a graveyard over there. Did they check over there? Yeah, they said an adult. They just found an adult and a child. They was searching for a 6-year-old. They got swept away. And oh God, I cannot remember. Then there's a Texas A&M student by the name of Caleb that went out his door to get his Uber Eats. And when his roommates went to check the door, uh, his Uber Eats was still at the door. He's nowhere been be found. He been missing since March the 5th. His name is Caleb. So we're gonna cover that story as well. That's in Texas. It may be a little far for me, as far as, a mother of six, as far as, fun wise, but I am a travel agent. So, of course, if I get help and support, I will travel down there and see what's going on with Caleb. We're gonna walk this street. It's a nice house. It's somebody's house, so we ain't gonna record their house. They not on the news right now, so we won't record them.